Learn and expand your knowledge on bills of lading and its relationship with the charter party through our upcoming online masterclass. This masterclass is proudly brought to you by M.I.C.E. Global. By attending this online masterclass, you get to expand your knowledge of the commercial and legal functions of a bills of lading. Learn about shipowners and charterers' rights and obligations under both voyage and time charter parties. Explore the dispute resolution mechanisms available to you in case of a claim. This is a comprehensive 4-day online training course. Here are some of the testimonials we've received from our past delegates. The online workshop will be held on the 26th to 29th April 2021, 12 p.m. till 4:30 p.m. Singapore time. Save the date and register with us now. Contact us through the following options for more information.